discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, man?
How you doing?
My name's Jacob. What's yours?
Ricky.
Okay. Could you tell me real quick what you got?
4 C7 Crossfire C7 V2s.
Okay.
On C7 4K Crossfire.
Okay. 6th order.
6th order, yeah.
Okay. Nice. How much battery and alternator power do you have?
I got 300 amp alternator and power 3800, I think it was.
Crossfire C7 4K,
C7 4K.
JS alternator, C7 12.
All right. Nice. Looks good. Is the back open? I'm going to check the amp out. Awesome. Just this amp. That's pretty good. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Ricky's system. He was showcasing it at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Give him some positive things you like about his system. Really clean install. I like the layout of the 6th order enclosure with that rear port and front port in red, so you can visually see that it is a bandpass enclosure. A lot of boxes usually have everything as one color, so this actually makes it a little easier and more appealing to tell the type of box it is. So be sure to give him a like. Was really impressed to see the amount of output this single 4,000 watt amplifier was doing. I say it was only 4,000 watts. Really, that's a lot of power for a daily driver system, but it was pretty impressive to see how much flex and subwoofer output he was putting on just 4,000 watts between these four 12-inch subwoofers. The subs were rated for 1,600 watts RMS each, so he was putting a little bit less power than needed for the subs, but it got the job done. I like the way he has his port. You can see on the left and right, he actually bolts down his port baffle, so you're able to remove that if you needed to do any kind of tweaks, adjustments, wiring, or a sub swap. So a really nice layout design, really clean install as well. And you notice his subwoofers are inverted. That gives them a lot more optimal space with that bottom chamber. There is an actual bottom chamber, making this a 6th order bandpass enclosure. I wish I would have found out the exact tunings. It seemed to do really well in the mid 20 hertz range. I don't know the actual tunings though. Sorry about that. So consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo. Pretty impressive.
show me, man. What was your name?
Ricky.
Ricky, all right.